Okay, stand by your camera. Yes. On the right side, we're going to pass. You can start to make a feeling of this nice as well. Yeah. It is in the beginning of the wooden bridge, and in the end is another side. But on the left-hand side, you can see they have the cave. You see the Buddha on the cave.
I can't see that.
Anyhow, be careful. Be careful. The camera.
ลงไหนครับลงไหนเอ่ย
She's got a video on this one.
It is the River Kwai. Yeah, but now it's low tide.
I don't know what I'm filming here.
Could you turn around on the left-hand side? You can see the cave. Yeah, they have the sitting wood. Yeah, in the cave. In the past, it's used for the radio control. For the radio control. It's nice. Okay, we come back.
Come back. How about that picture of the water?
Be careful, be careful your camera. Sometimes the train they will stop. Opposite side is the Thanbyuzayat. That is the resort for the seminar.
Oh, this is a track then. Down below
Yeah.
us. Don't look very safe, do it? That wood looks a bit rotten.
If you see on the left in the end, yeah, that is the end of the wooden bridge.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. See it.
About 400 meters.
Yeah.
Is that bird creaking? We're back on the dawn. Oh, get lost.
You see it on the left side is the bridge. Now, when you turn back, yeah, you can see like a snake. The container. Beautiful. Yeah. Look on the right. Left right now is beautiful. Be careful, be careful your camera. Opposite side you see the green roof. That is the rafting house for the holiday.
Beautiful, huh?
So in the past, in this area is the camp for the prisoner of war. Okay, yes, this is the highlight on the railway line. Here we go. Okay. After this, only the